There is actually an amazing way you can promote your CPA marketing offers with platforms like Instagram right now, TikTok, and also Pinterest. And the cool thing about the strategy is that you're just simply going to generate content for yourself in the matter of minutes right now. It's going to help you generate some cool and amazing content for promoting your CPA marketing offers, and all you actually have to do is just simply to get a link and promote that content in a very cool and easy way. And I'm going to walk you through this, guys, in a step-by-step pattern on how you can easily go on to making money right now with CPA grip utilizing the strategy. And if you're new to my channel, you may want to just simply check out the videos on my channel, because I regularly create cool and amazing videos on ways to make money online. And supposing you like such kind of content, you may want to just simply hit the like button to the video you're watching right now, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all to always get alerted whenever I do release some cool videos to help boost your income online. With that being said, and no more delay of time, let's dive right into the video of today. So firstly, guys, for the strategy, it's quite important that you get CPA marketing offers you want to promote, and we're going to be getting multiple CPA marketing offers to promote utilizing this simple strategy. Now, you can get offers from platforms like Max Bounty or CPA Grip or any other platforms available out there. And to register for CPA Grip is absolutely easy. All you need to do is to click on the register option right now. You will be brought to this page, and you just need to provide your basic details on all the fields made available to you. As you can see, the fields actually has the red asterisk sign, indicates the required field you must fill out to get an account created on the platform. Now you want to just simply fill out the section having the first name and last name. You can skip out the company and website option because they don't have that red asterisk sign. You want to select fill in your street address, your country, the city, zip code, phone number, the Skype ID name, the email address, password, confirm your password, select the time zone. Then you just need to agree to the terms of service right now. Once you actually do that, you want to click on register and get your account created, after which you want to log into your account. So guys, after logging into your account, you want to come onto the page where you can get offers to promote. And to get to this page, you just need to go on to clicking on the offer tools option, select my offers, and you'll be brought to a page similar to this. Now you can filter your offers to any demographic of your choice right now. I would like you to use numerous demographics because you might not know where your leads are actually coming from. Maybe you may just simply want to analyze the Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest website using similar web statistics to actually find out where each of those websites gets most of its traffic the most. But you will also take note that most of their traffic come from the United States, which is why I'm going to be selecting the United States offer first. If you do click on payout, it's going to filter the offers based on payouts, and you can just simply scroll through the offers right now. You want to select an offer that is appealing to the eyes and quite eye-catchy right now. If you keep on scrolling through, you can see a lot of offers right here, but I'm just going to go to selecting a very cool one right now. So as you can see, this is an offer that you just need to go on to installing an application and play in the Brain Test 2 app. Now this is a Brain Test 2 app right now, and you can see for people in the United States that utilizes Android devices, they just need to install the application on their mobile devices while utilizing your CPA marketing link to get onto the page, and you're just simply going to get paid this particular amount per person that completes the offer. So you could just simply click on copy link and create a landing page for this. Now you could create landing pages with platforms like Google Sites, Systeme.io, or Linktree. Now you can utilize any of those platforms to create landing pages for multiple CPA marketing offer, which I'm not just simply going to walk you through in this video because I already have tutorial videos that shows you how to do just that. To gain access to such tutorial videos, you want to head onto my channel, OJ Marketing, click on the search icon, and you want to just simply go on to type in a landing page. Once you successfully do type this and click on enter, the page is actually going to reload, and you're going to see some cool videos that shows you how to easily create landing pages. Check out the videos, they could prove very useful to you and helpful in creating landing pages right now. Once you successfully created a landing page, the next is to promote your offer. And we're actually going to be promoting our offers on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest, like I said earlier. And the strategy is also going to help you generate cool and amazing content to promote your offers with. And you can just simply go on to generating some cool and amazing content with the help of this platform called the Opus.pro. Now this is an amazing platform that you can just simply leverage to generate 10 viral clips right now in a matter of minutes. Now with this platform you can generate 10 viral clips just from one single clip in a matter of minutes. As you can see, one long video to 10 viral clips, and it creates videos 10 times faster. Opus Clip is a generative AI video tool that requires or repurposes long videos into shorts in one click, and it is powered by OpenAI. Now you can actually see much more details of the AI tool if you scroll through, but what you want to take note of is that you just need to go on to paste in a link right now in this section, and that could be converted into 10 viral clips. Now you can see that this actually supports YouTube videos, Vimeo, Zoom, Rumble, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. Now I just simply need to get a video from one of these platforms and just simply paste the link right now in this section and click on get clip, and that will actually be good right there for me. And you can see currently we support videos in English, German, Spanish, French, Portuguese, and other 20 languages right now. Now you could actually sign up to the platform, it's absolutely free, or you could check out much more details about the platform from the pricing structure. Now you can just simply log into your account. As you can see, I'm logged into my account, and like I said, the video is actually good for, or you actually accept YouTube videos, Google Drive videos, Vimeo, Zoom, Rumble, Facebook, and Twitter right there. But you can also take note that this is actually only suitable for videos like video podcasts, educational videos, commentary videos, product review videos, and motivational speeches. Now this is not suitable for vlogs, gaming videos, and music videos right now. So if I want to just simply focus on these kinds of videos which are motivational speeches, I can just simply head on to platforms like YouTube right now and just simply search for motivational speech. Now you can see a lot of motivational speech right here. Maybe you want to just simply walk on the safer side and you don't want to just simply break or breach any copyright rules. You want to click on this filter option and you want to select the Creative Commons. Now if you select that right now, you're going to see some cool and amazing videos that you could just simply repurpose yourself right there. Now if I just select this video right now, as you can see the video has been selected. What I'm going to do is just simply click on the share option, and I'm just going to go on to copying the link to this video. Now this is the link which I'm just going to copy. Once the link has successfully been copied, you just need to head back to that platform called Opus Pro and just simply paste in the link right here. It's going to analyze the link, and you're going to be shocked that it's going to come up with that exact same thumbnail for that video right now. As you can see, this is the exact same thumbnail to the video right here, which says to become successful, always gather unsuccessful people. Now if you actually go back to YouTube, and you're going to see that that is exactly the same thumbnail for the video right now. So you could just simply head back to the platform called Opus.pro and just simply click on get clip in one click, and that's going to just simply get or analyze your video and get you 10 viral clips. Now I'm just going to show you an example of a video which I actually generated previously right now with this particular platform. So if I actually do go back to this section, I'm just going to open this one. Okay, right now I can't open that because the project has actually expired, but you can actually get the hang of it right now, and that's how cool this platform actually works. So once you actually get your viral clips, and each clips are actually going to have a virality score that shows you the likelihood that that video is actually going to go viral. The higher the virality score, the better it is for you. Then you can just simply head on to social media platforms like Instagram right now, TikTok, and also Pinterest, and upload short videos. And in uploading short videos, you also want to make sure, guys, you are inserting the link to your CPA marketing offers in the bio of your account right now, or just similar thing you want to do right now with TikTok, and also on Pinterest you want to do similar stuff. And with these guys, since those clips are actually proven to go viral, because Opus Clip only create viral videos. Now since those clips are proven to go viral, that means once the clips go viral, your videos or your account is actually going to start growing. As your account grows, the more people will be interested in checking out the link in the bio of your account, and you can just simply make more money with that right there. Now you can also go on to adding simple calls to actions as a text in that particular video and direct people to the bio of your account for them to complete your offers, and you do make some cool cash also. So this is a cool strategy I advise you take advantage of. And guys, don't forget to check out the videos on my channel because they are absolutely amazing and for you right now. Don't forget to also subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bells on all. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.